I was just at the new Tiffany store. And I have to say again, for a brand as old as they are, and for being in a location that they've been in for, I don't know, 100 years, something like that. You know, if you walk into that store now, all of the windows are display monitors, and they're just running this very cool scene of New York, of the Tiffanyized New York, if you will. So it really creates a very interesting experience when you're inside. But what's also great, and you know, I always like to look at the tech and the non-tech. They've still done a wonderful job at explaining what a diamond cut means and how diamonds get their brilliance, and putting a diamond up, you know, under a magnifying glass so you can look at it and really see what a diamond looks like.